Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, today we will read from this paragraph of Unit 9. So, let's begin. Seeing this sudden change in Midas amused Dionysus. He said, playing with his bird, "So now you do not want the golden touch? We see that you have realized your mistake. Go, bath in the river Pactolus. My spell will be undone and your troubles will be over soon." Now, Midas has gone to Dionysus for help, and Dionysus was amused. And Midas amused. Dionysus amused means smiled, thinking that something is funny. Midas amused Dionysus because Dionysus already knew that someday Midas will come to him for help. So he was amused and he was making fun of Midas and he was smiling and he said, "Now you have realized your mistake." And he said a solution. He told him a solution. He told him to go and bath and in the river Pactolus. Then his spell would be undone and his troubles will be over. What was his troubles? Troubles were means whatever he touch will into return into gold. जो भी वो टच करता था वो गोल्ड में चेंज हो जाता था. So the solution of this was to bath in the river Pactolus. King Midas went to the river and washed himself with its water. Slowly, with every splash of water, his golden touch was washed away. King Midas went to that river and he started bathing in that river. And when he poured river on himself, the golden touch washed away. Means everything restored into its original place. Slowly, with every splash of water, his golden touch was washed away. He felt as if a great burden has been lifted off from his head. Now he was feeling relaxed because he found the solution of his trouble. He took some water from the river and ran back to his palace triumphantly. Triumphantly means in a way showing joy and victory. So he was very happy and he was thinking that he has won something. So he was going to village very happily, going to his palace very happily, and he poured the water on his daughter. They came back to life immediately and he hugged her lovingly. He poured the water of that river onto her daughter, which was turned into golden statue. And when he poured the water, the girl came back to life and he hugged her lovingly. Then he poured some water on his wife and brought her back to life. He did not stop there. Little by little, he restored everything that he had turned to gold. After that, he poured water on everything that was turned into gold, like flowers of the garden, his wife, his daughter. He restored everything into its original. He had at last learned a valuable lesson. In the end, he learned a valuable lesson. What was the lesson of this chapter, this story? Lesson is we should not be greedy because only money or only gold cannot give us happiness. And one more lesson is we should love our family more than anything else. Okay, हमें अपनी फैमिली को लव करना चाहिए. Only gold does not give us happiness. Okay, so this was the chapter unit 9, myths and legends. Now we will do word meaning. First is eagerly, with great interest and enthusiasm. Coffer a box or a vault for keeping money. Feasting, a large celebrity meal. Hospitality. Hospitality means kind and friendly behavior. Next is stunned. Stunned means shocked. Pleaded, asked something in a strong and serious way. Curse, something that causes bad things to happen. Amused, smiled thinking that something is funny. Triumphantly, in a way showing joy and victory. So these are the word meaning that you have to learn and write in your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you kids and have a nice day.